In this video, we are going to see the interview questions in Go programming language or Golang. Before going into the video, please subscribe to my channel In and Around Computer. First question is explain what is Go. The answer is Go is an open source programming language which makes it easy to build simple, reliable and efficient software. Programs are constructed from packages whose properties allow efficient management of dependencies. The next question is what are its benefits over other programming languages? The answer is Go has built-in support for concurrent programming, allowing highly scalable applications and garbage collection. Programs are constructed from packages whose properties allow efficient management of dependencies, and despite of all other benefits of being fast, efficient, low-level language, Go also has a simple, readable syntax that you usually find in other languages. And also, since it handles garbage collection for you, it is easier to use other lower level languages like C. That is, other languages like C doesn't have the garbage collection. Here or garbage collection is done automatically, so it is easier than the other languages like C. How do packages work in Go? Every Golang application is built out of packages. Each application starts in the main package. Applications are built by creating new packages that can be imported from into the main package, or we can import any other third-party package that we need for the application. These third-party packages can be imported into your application with the Git repository paths. This Global Information Tracker repository paths. How do you handle errors in Go? The answer for this question is unlike many other languages, Go doesn't use exceptions to handle errors. Instead, it has a capability of returning multi-values that makes it easy to report errors without needing to overload the return value. This Golang code uses error values to indicate the error happened, does not use the exceptions for errors. What's the best way to concatenate strings in Go? In Golang, every time you manipulate a string, it will create a new string because it's a primitive data type in Go. And it's read only, that is string data type is read only. So to reduce memory copying, you will want to use the string builders class to concatenate strings. And what are Go routines? These are methods that run concurrently with other Go methods. You can think of Go routines as lightweight threads. The memory and processing cost of creating a Go routine is low compared to a thread. Then what's a Go path environment variable? And the location of Go workspace is stored in the Go path environment variable. This variable must be set for you to develop with Golang. And what's a workspace in Go? The workspace is where you keep your Go source code. It's a directory hierarchy that has these three directories in its root. First is the src, that source that contains the Go source code separated into packages. pkg, it contains the package objects. Then bin, it contains the executable commands. And next question is list the types of operators in Go. and arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and miscellaneous operators. That is, the miscellaneous operators include ampersand, comma, and asterisk, etc. What's the difference between methods and functions in Go? Methods in Golang contain receiver arguments and functions does not have the receiver arguments. In object-oriented programming terms, this means that a Go method is a function on an instance of an object. Go doesn't have classes like other object-oriented languages, but you can define a method based on a struct type.